Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about subconscious mind. Why subconscious mind is related to your business? I can say your subconscious mind is very powerful. It can affect every aspect of your life, affect your every decision, your relationships, your family, your wealth building, your career. So when we are young, we are surrounded by some conditioned beliefs from our family, society. So our school trained us to be a good employer, get high grade first, and then get a well-paid job. Our school never trained us to start our business. I don't know why. Maybe they think starting a business is risky, or we may not get a stable income from our business. So that is why if you start a business yourself, your family and friends always tell you to be more careful, not to be cheated by someone. In this society, there is really rare official training program that can train your mind to have your own business. So, and your mind really need to be very strong to have your own business, because if you are not consistent building something, or because you need some time to, especially when I am doing affiliate marketing, you need some time to build your brand, get more people to know about you, what is your brand standing in the market. So this take a lot of time. That is different from working for someone. You work, then you got pay. That is different. But building a business is all about your thing. You are building your dream. You are not sacrifice time to building your boss or your company's dream. So this is why I always think that it's the road is hard, but it deserves, it's worth to do things to build your own business. And so people asking me how to train your subconscious mind be strong. I can share with you guys my habits that can you can be stronger. Your brain can be stronger to in your life. Every morning, the first thing I do is listening to some affirmations, some powerful affirmation like I am success, I am wealthy, I deserve the living standard I always want to, I am kind, I'm loving. These all positive affirmations. And also in the morning, I do 10 minutes meditation before I'm going to brush my teeth or do the washing. The meditation lets me calm down and think, not really think, but like think nothing. Think nothing means you focus on your breathing, and yeah, you really do not need to think anything. Just focus on your breathing and your mind will be calm, and within the day you can have a fresh mind to think of the plan of your day, and maybe you can get some refreshing ideas in your business or in your life, in your relationship. So meditation is a very good habit that especially for people in the cities, in busy cities, that can let you have some private time to think what you are going to do in the day. And also I read the book that is The Power of Our Subconscious Mind. Maybe I can show you the book here. This is the book always in my bedside table. These books I think I bought it excuse me, I bought it 3 years ago. 3 years ago in Australia, and I just randomly picked this book. But this book is really good, especially when I am sad. I can't think of any way go. I need support, especially the year when I was in Australia alone. I do not have many friends to talk with, and this book really empower me. It talks about different aspects of life, like relationship, your wealth, your marriage, your confidence, how you overcome fear on anything. And this book, the idea is easy. Just when you plant some idea in your brain, or you just subconsciously put some idea in your brain, and your subconscious mind will believe in it, and it will change to your reality. Of course, you need to put in action. Like if you want to build your business, you need to do something. And if you have the faith and you keep putting your dedication on it, you will see your reality. You will see your dream coming. That is not wishy. That is this is all by scientific research that, and this is written by a doctor, psychology doctor. Yeah, so I recommend guys you to read these books if you want to train your subconscious mind, and if you feeling that nobody is supporting you in your business or something you do in your life, this book really helps you, and that's why it's called some self-help book. Yeah, so yeah, I can say that mindset is a really important thing. And by the way, if you want to know more on how to train your subconscious mind, below I also have a link that you can learn more about it. It's the program that I'm in to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and also building a strong mindset in your business and in your life, which is absolutely fantastic. You can see many positive reviews on this program, and this is the only program I purchased it by my money, and I have no regret at all buying it, because it really helps me in my life and become a better me. And also it's one of the reasons that's why I'm on YouTube. It really takes me a lot of courage to speak in English in front of millions of people, especially people I know, my friends, my family. They will see me talking on the internet. So if you like to visit the link below, and I hope you also gain a lot in that program. So yeah, see you guys. Bye bye.